Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to be doing my second eyeshadow tutorial using the Rose Quartz palette by Huda Beauty. This tutorial is more on the daytime side. It's a great everyday eyeshadow look. I love it. I love the rosy pinky tones. So yeah, if you guys are interested, then just keep watching. We're going to jump right in. I'm starting off with the shade Gratitude. It's a nice like pinky brown. It looks a little darker in the pan, but when you put it on your eye, it's a little bit lighter, a little bit more pink, but either way, this is my transition color going back and forth into the crease. This is my Sigma E40, great for applying that transition color. And then for the crease, I'm using the shade Aura and putting that in the outer V and in the crease, just deepening up the look, and then that's going to be pretty much it for the crease. I'm not going any darker than this because, again, this is, you know, more for a daytime, I don't know, for work, school, you know, whatever you do during the day, because it's not super crazy. It's not, you know, smoky or anything like that. I think it's just perfect for, you know, during the day, in the afternoon. I don't know, having coffee at a coffee shop. You guys know I love Too Faced eyeshadows. Now, her mattes are easy to use. They're not as easy as Too Faced. Like, you know, I had to blend a little bit more than usual. So now for all over the lid, I'm taking the shade Quartz. Really, really pretty, like champagne-y color. Perfect for all over the lid. I put it on with my finger first, and then I just added a little bit more with a brush, with a wet brush. I just used a little bit of setting spray. And yeah, I like it. I think it's super wearable. It's not as crazy metallic as her other shades. And then I took this lighter shade called Self Love just to brighten up in the inner corner. And then I also just took it all over the lid. You know, why not? Whatever was extra, I put it all over the lid. So yeah, and then that's pretty much it. I'm a little disappointed. There isn't really a brow bone highlight in this palette. But because the metallic shades are so crazy and fun and just unique, I will forgive, you know, the fact that there's no brow bone highlight, you know. So now let's move on to concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind today. I picked it up recently and I was like, you know what, let's use it. It's, you know, not as full coverage, which is fine because this look is, you know, for the daytime. It's light. So it worked out perfectly. I thought it was a little bit too light for me, but it all blended out just fine. I was very, very impressed. Then, of course, Givenchy PRISME LIBRE Loose Powder, setting that concealer. And then we're going to move on to the lower lash line. I'm taking my crease color, Aura, putting it on the outer third, and then blending it all out with Gratitude. So now it's time for mascara. I did not want to put on false lashes because this is an everyday kind of daytime look. So I'm starting off with Benefit's Roller Lash. I got this little sample in their advent calendar that they came out with last year. And I have to tell you, I do like the mascara. It separates really well and lengthens. I personally cannot justify just spending money on a high-end mascara because drugstore mascaras are so good. So I started off with that one, and then to just make my lashes look a little bit more thick and clumpy, a good clump, I used the Essence False Lash Effect Princess. I said that all wrong, but you guys get me. Anyway, that completes this tutorial. I think it's so pretty. It's daytime appropriate, and I also think it's really good for Valentine's Day, which is coming up. So let me know what you guys think down below. I would really appreciate it. And that's all that I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.